In this video, I'll show you how to run a new Android Desktop Emulator on your PC or laptop using the latest 2025 Google Desktop mode. This method works on both Windows 10 or Windows 11, and it's perfect for testing apps, multitasking, or recording mobile style tutorials directly from your computer. And so let's jump straight into the setup. First, you need to check visualization is enabled in your PC or laptop. To check that, right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager and go to Performance and select the CPU. In visualization, you can able to see enabled in my case. If in your case it shows disabled, then check my video description for this video link. Just watch this video to enable the visualization. After enabled the visualization, you can proceed to the steps shown in this video. Just open up Chrome and search Android Studio and press enter. Select the first official site. Select the Android Studio outer and scroll down and select I have read and agree with the above terms and condition and select download Android Studio. It started downloading 1.3 GB. After the downloads get done, just click on it and install it, guys. Select the yes option and select next and select next and select next and select install. And after get this done, select this next option and select finish. Select the don't send option. Select here next option and select next and select the next option and select this accept option and select the next. Select this yes option after the installation done and select finish. And you can able to see more actions drop down and select this virtual device manager. Select this plus icon on the top. Select the allow option. Select this plus icon to create a virtual device. In here you just need to select a desktop and select 1920 into 1080 and then select next and go to additional settings. To set the internal storage, you just need to open up File Explorer. In my case, I installed the Android emulator on C drive, so I have 110 GB free space available. You can use half of your size in internal storage. I'm gonna make it as 55 GB internal storage and scroll down. To set the CPU cores, you just need to open the task manager and go to performance. Select the CPU. In cores, you can able to see how much cores you have. In my case, 24. I can select here 12, half of my cores. And same thing for RAM. Select the memory. In my case, I have 32 GB RAM. So I can set here half of my RAM, 16 GB, and then go back to devices. Click on the drop down and make sure it is latest version and then select finish option and select yes. After this gets done, select the finish option and now the desktop has been created. Select the play option over here and now desktop has been opened up. To make this full screen, you just need to drag it like this down, drag it like this, like, and it can be make it as full screen. Now you can use it like Android device. Open Chrome or YouTube Music. Just opening Chrome, it has full screen. Add account to device. Log into your Google account. After login, you can able to see you can use YouTube or anything. You can search in here. We have successfully logged into our account. Stuff the Chrome, and you can do whatever you want. And that's it. You are successfully installed and run the Android Desktop Emulator with new Google Desktop mode on your PC or laptop. If this video helped you, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and comment below if you want a guide on creating mobile tutorials using your computer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.